sun. She's bright when I'm sad. She's under good time. She's down in the bad. Whenever I'm discouraged, she knows just what to do. But girl, she doesn't know about you. I can tell her what you want. She makes it all seem right. I can make all excuses not to hold her tight. We can talk of tomorrow. I will tell her everything I want to do. But girl, how can I tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you? How can I tell her I don't miss her whenever I'm away? How can I say